Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to extract and copy text from any image or screenshot using the PDNob Image Translator. PDNob Image Translator is a fast and powerful AI tool for extracting, copying, and editing text from images or screenshots. With AI-powered OCR, it recognizes and extracts text from images, scanned documents, and handwritten notes accurately. It converts visual content into editable text formats and translates extracted text into multiple languages. Its handwriting recognition converts handwritten notes into digital text, and the batch processing feature handles multiple images at once, saving time on bulk copying. So let's dive in and see how to use this AI tool. There's a link in this video description which you can use to visit the official tenorshare website to download the PDNob Image Translator. Come over to this section and click to download either the Mac or Windows version. The installation file would be downloaded to your PC, and all you have to do is follow the instructions to install and run it on your PC. Once you've finished installation, head over to your system tray and locate the PDNob software. Launch from the tray and you will arrive on this interface. As you can see, there's 3 ways to start extracting and copying text from images. You can begin by taking a screenshot directly from your computer screen, importing anywhere from 1 to 50 image files from your computer, or by pasting an image directly from your clipboard. Let me start by importing an image file from my computer. I'm going to click to add files, and if you want, you can select multiple files. In this case, I'll import these 2 images. Let me briefly show you around this interface. This panel contains a thumbnail preview of the imported images. You can select one or all images to delete or export. Here at the top, you have buttons for screenshot, adding more images, and also paste images directly from the clipboard. This panel is the image viewer, where you can see the images you've imported. If you expand this panel on the right, you can see the recognized text, which is the actual text contained in the image. And below it is the translated version of the text which has been extracted from the image. You can use both drop-downs to select the language contained in the image as well as what you want for the translated version. You can edit the recognized text as well as copy both the extracted and translated text to your clipboard. As you can see for both the first and second images, this AI tool is very accurate and fast. It took only a few seconds to process both images. To export the results, I can copy and paste into any word processor or export directly from the PDNob software. I can export the translated text, image, or both. As you can see, there are several file export formats available both for documents and images. Choose your preferred export formats, file name, location, and save to your PC. The screenshot feature also works very well. Select Screen Capture, highlight, and confirm the area of the screen you want to copy, and it will quickly recognize and provide the text into an editable text. You can edit, copy, and export the text. As you can see, I'll simply copy and paste into my word processor. As you've seen so far, with PDNob Image Translator, you no longer need to manually type text from images. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for saving time when working with screenshots or scanned documents. Moreover, it works seamlessly on PCs for both screenshots and scanned images. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.